In this video, I'm going to talk about all the gym equipment that I'm currently using, how much I've spent, and tips on how you can build your own home gym. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about plant-based nutrition, fitness, and vegan lifestyle tips. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe. Super excited to share with you guys my home gym and how you can build a little fitness center right in your home. Because let's be honest, it's private. You can train basically 24/7. You can stay focused. You don't have to listen to people grunting all the time. You know who you are. And there's no travel time. It's right in your home. So all of that basically leads to consistency, and that's what ultimately is going to help you guys get fitter and stronger. And feel free guys at any time to check out the links in the description down below of all the things that I'm using. Now my home gym costs around $800, which might sound like a lot of money, but I actually spent a lot of time researching home gyms on the internet, on YouTube, and how much people are spending. And people are spending like thousands and thousands of dollars on equipment and all this stuff, and it's just crazy. You can definitely build your own home gym less than $1,000. If you're someone who really enjoys and really is into fitness, weightlifting, and just becoming a stronger and fitter person, you're gonna be spending anywhere on average between $10 to $30 per month on a gym membership, which is about $120 to $360 per year. So depending on how much you would be spending on a gym membership, you might just end up paying this equipment off in just a few years. The other thing is, if you have a family or if you have a lot of people that are living with you and you all are spending a ton of money at gym memberships, you all can save a lot of money by all pitching in on equipment and investing in building a home gym. Then you save a whole lot of money and you pay it off way quicker. So that's enough talking. What are the equipment that you guys need to build your own home gym? Well, you want to start off by investing in a good power rack and a bench. So doing the big movements, the big exercises, we're talking about squats, bench, deadlift, overhead press, etc. Those big lifts that work a ton of muscles are what are going to get you stronger faster. The bar you want to make sure is an Olympic bar. You want to make sure that it's going to be able to hold the weight and it's not going to be like a little flimsy thing that's going to snap on you. Obviously barbell weights to put on the bar, maybe some dumbbells, that way you can do smaller accessory types of exercises, and depending on your situation, maybe some extra things you'd want to invest in would be like a weight rack, mat, a barbell pad for squatting, some lock rings. But I would say those would be the main things. We have other things laying around like a broken down treadmill and ab lounge. It's like an ab chair basically. But I would say those would be the main things. Okay, so the power rack that I'm using is called the Fitness Reality 810 XLT Supermax Power Cage. Got this thing from Amazon. It's freaking awesome. The dimensions on it are basically 4 feet by 4 feet by 7 feet. So it won't take up that much space on your floor, but it is pretty tall. So you want to make sure you have high enough ceilings, maybe like in a garage or something. But it's pretty sturdy. It can hold up to 800 pounds. It's got a bunch of adjustment slots to set the safety pins at different levels. And out of the box you get safety bars, racking bars, pull-up bars, and a bench that could be set at flat, an incline, or a decline. So this power rack, including the bench, all comes down to $330. But if you already have a bench, you can get just the power rack for $250. But like I said, you're gonna be able to do all the big movements that are gonna get you super fit and super strong. Next up is the Fitness Gear 300-pound weight set with the Olympic bar. It's sold exclusively through Dick's Sporting Goods. It's freaking awesome. It's like $200 and you get 300-pound weights, you get the Olympic bar, and it even comes with the lock rings as well. For weights, I would definitely recommend going for like a 300-pound set. It gives you enough resistance, and also you can basically adjust your resistance by 5 pounds per set, which is pretty cool. The downside of this is if you don't live near Dick's Sporting Goods, shipping is freaking expensive. So I have a similar Amazon deal down below that you guys can check out, but I really wanted to mention the Dick's Sporting Goods deal. I'm not even sponsored or affiliated with them, but highly recommend going for like a 300-pound weight set with an Olympic bar. We also have the Power Block personal trainer set. It's the 5 to 50 pounds per dumbbell. The thing I love about these is that they take up little space. They're not like a traditional dumbbell set where they're gonna take up a whole bunch of room, and you can change weights in pretty small increments as well. They have different types of grips that you can hold the dumbbells at. I think anything up to 50 pounds per dumbbell is gonna be enough for most people, and if you don't have a ton of room, this is a great option as well. On the floor, we have the Pro Source puzzle exercise mats. These are pretty cool because they're just what they sound like. They're like puzzle pieces, so you can buy as many as you want and just attach them, and then you have a solid floor for weightlifting. Now this all depends on your type of environment that you're gonna have the power rack and everything set up. But if you're someone who's gonna be setting this up in a garage or anywhere that has like a hard surface flooring or even carpet, this provides like a non-slip surface. So you definitely want to take safety into consideration. And also, in case you ever drop a weight, you're gonna be able to protect your floor just by adding that next level of cushion. We also decided to get the Cap barbell 2-inch plate rack. This is just something nice to have the weights somewhere. It's a bit more organized. You can pick out the weights much quicker. And the nice thing about this is it fits basically all sizes of weights. 2.5, 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 25, 35, 45. Definitely a handy thing to have. So I said that the fitness gear does provide its own lock rings, but we ended up going with the Rehut 2-inch clamp lock ring collars. We just prefer this type of locking system better. But if you're someone who has to buy a lock ring separately, these are a great option. Strong, durable, and easy to get on and off. We also have a squat pad. It's definitely not necessary. If you don't like them, don't buy them, but it definitely adds that little bit of extra comfort for sure when you're squatting. And when we're not using it, we have it on the support bar, so when you're going to spot someone for bench, you don't hit your head on that support bar. Trust me, I've done it way too many times. So that's all the equipment that we have here in our gym. Some other things maybe we would get in the future would be like dip bars, like a pull down machine, or maybe some medicine balls, but these are pretty much the essentials that you need to get your home gym going. And I just want to say, you guys definitely don't have to go and get the exact same gear that I'm using. You definitely don't have to buy new either. You can shop used, you can check out Craigslist, eBay, freaking yard sales, you know, do whatever you have to do. But what I'm trying to say is you can definitely build a home gym less than the thousands of dollars some of these people are spending online. It is crazy. And there is nothing wrong with spending $10 a month to go to a gym either. The point is, you want to stay healthy and fit. But for me personally, I do not miss going to the gym at all. This is so convenient. It's so private. I don't have to listen to people grunting, asking me where I get my protein. You guys know how it is. But I want to hear from you guys. Do you have a home gym yourself? Are there any equipment that you would recommend to a beginner that is trying to build their home gym? Or are you someone who is thinking of investing in a home gym? What are you trying to get out of it? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, I just want to say that I'm going to be releasing videos in the future of some of my workout routines right here in my home gym, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you guys got something out of this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.